Goa is fully committed to establish the business-friendly environment by implementing policies that simplify process, offering incentives, and ensuring that the ease of doing a business remains a top priority. The is committed to creating the balanced development path, one that embarks the growth while preserve our environment and culture. We are actively engaged in building the partnership with national and international stakeholders to drive this vision forward. An invitation to invest in the Goa's future. Today, I invite one of you to envisage the Goa not just as a tourist destination, but as a promising partner in your business journey. Together, let us leverage our strength, our strategies, location, and our talented youth to propel Goa into the global stage. With the strong backing of our Government of India and futuristic vision of our Government of Goa, we boast the 4-lane highway, 2 world-class airports, the railways, and as well as the port connectivity. We have one of the best solid waste management plants in the country, combined with the strong network of STP, ATPs, biomedical waste, and hazardous waste treatment facilities actively monitored by our State Pollution Control Board. This infrastructure is the key to harnessing the Goa's optimum potential as a vibrant economic hub.